All right guys, Trey here again with Speed Shield, bringing you guys a little bit more about the restoration on this Turbo S. So as you saw on our previous video, we had completed the full front paint protection film or clear bra installation, including putting clear bra over the headlights and the fog lights that had not been previously protected. And we just weren't very happy with the results of that, because you could still see the pitting underneath the clear bra. And we've been accused of being overachievers, and we're okay with that. So we elected to call the customer and inform him of what we were seeing, kind of go over his options, and he agreed to go ahead and have us restore the headlights. So this is kind of a before and after right here. As you guys may know, all polycarbonate headlights, they come with a UV protective clear coat on them. Sometimes it's real thick, sometimes it's thin. You know, some vehicles are known for issues with that UV coating. So, you know, it's kind of a mixed bag on what you're gonna find on any given vehicle. So, you know, we just kind of roll with the punches. The sanding of these headlights right here were very different from passenger side to driver side. We could tell there was a very thick coating on this side, so it looked like it had been coated with a substance that is designed to restore that UV protective shield. A lot of times it's called helicopter windscreen restoration. I think 3M makes it, but you can definitely tell which one has that material on it and which one doesn't when you're sanding. So this passenger side one definitely took a lot longer to break through that coating than the other side did. And the reason you want to break through that coating is because you want the finish to be completely even on these headlights. And we were definitely interested in removing all of the pit marks on this headlight. And so what we'll do is, now that we have it all smoothed out and that coating is removed, well, we have a little bit more to go, because you see right here, you can see that coating is still on there, right there. So after we break through that little bit right there, this headlight will be just beautifully smooth. And what we'll do is we'll start stepping higher and higher on the grit and finer, and then we'll polish it with compounds and polishes to get it to look like this side. And this side is very, very smooth at this point. You can probably go back in the other videos and tell a real dramatic difference between this headlight and what we had before. So the goal was, just to restate it, the goal was to remove all of those pit marks so that the clear bra can stick better and it will look better, because it doesn't have all those tiny little air pockets around those pit marks. Now you may be asking, well, what about the UV coating? Paint protection film has UV inhibitors in it, and they are definitely on par with that liquid coating that is sprayed on factory headlights. So by putting a clear bra on, you are ultimately installing a new mechanical UV protective coating to those headlights, and that's going to keep them color stable for years. Obviously the clear bra is going to help protect that headlight from pitting and chipping, and you'll have a happy headlight. So we'll be polishing that passenger side to make it look like this one, and then it will be ready for some brand new clear bra on it. But just some more food for thought on this 911 Turbo S restoration. You guys check out our other videos on this. We have fun doing these videos. We know a lot of people love them. They're interesting, and we always love to spread the knowledge that we've gained over 20 years, and we like to do that with clients and anybody that's watching too. So you guys have fun out there, stay protected. Speed Shield, later.